What's up, everybody? Let's open this box. I'm going to show you guys what's in here. Timeusb. Do you wonder what this is? What is Timeusb, you'll say? I'll show you guys. Look at all the fancy stickers. Oh, wow. Maybe somebody can already guess. Can you already guess what this is? Can anybody guess? If you can guess, comment right now before I open it. Oh, no. Did you guys guess it right or wrong? Hope you did it right. Lithium-ion battery. Guess what? For RVs, if you guys want to stick one in your van, have a backup battery inside your van to run your TV, your heater, your whatever you might want. Pro 2, 12.8 volt, 100 amp hours. And this thing is small. It's small. It's a tiny one, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. You can put this as a backup under the hood. In my Sprinter van, I've got a spot for it that I could actually put it. I just need to put a bracket in, and it'll go right under the hood. You could use it as an RV battery. You could put it in your boat, that's where mine is going. This is going to be my boat battery for my lights and for my backup main battery. It's going to be the third battery I put in my boat. In the van, I don't really need one right now for the van, but you could use this for a camper. You could use it for an RV, a van camper, a motor home. I mean, whatever you guys want. It could go anywhere. There's where you want to go. If you guys do want to price on one, they've got different options. Bigger batteries, more powerful batteries. And this one is going to go straight into my boat, like I said, because I need one for the lights that I'm going to install, because I am planning to go back to nighttime fishing. And my trolling motor has a battery that I'm going to be using. My main battery is there, and this is going to be a backup for my main, plus for the LED lights that I'm going to do, because nighttime fishing requires some good LED lighting. This is what it's going to be used for. Let's go throw it in the boat. Before that, it comes with some instructions. I don't really need instructions or read them until I run into a problem, but the stickers are cool. You know, maybe we'll rock some of these stickers. Basically, it's a deep cycle battery for really any kind of use you can think of for yourself. Any kind of use. I mean, anybody can use a battery. Charge it at home, throw it in your trunk, charge your devices, whatever you want to do. Endless possibilities, technically, really. I mean, seriously. You can recharge the battery with solar chargers. I mean, however you want to do it. Let's go throw it in the boat. I've got a marine one in here. This interstate battery has been doing good. But the weight, and for 100 amp hours, the weight of this easily picked up this. Oh geez, can rip your arm out. So why would you want to carry all that extra weight on your boat when you could use this? Maybe I'll just swap it out with this one and it could still be good enough. But anyway, I'll still leave it. This still holds a charge and it does what it needs to do. So we'll just still leave it for that. We'll be okay. We'll be all right with this one staying the way it is. But this one is going to go on this other side, and it will be my backup battery, and it is going to be for my lights. So my plan is to hook up lights in here. Never mind all this mess. I'm going to have 4 LED lights pointing down into the water. So one here, 2 in the front, and 1 more back here. And what we're gonna do is do nighttime fishing. For nighttime fishing, you need really good lights. The fish comes, and that's how you catch that fish at night, trout, walleye, and it brings you happiness, and I want happiness. This thing here is gonna be part of my happiness getter. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description so you can check out the site. If you want to email them directly for anything, here's the email address, here's the website as well. So you can pause the video, hurry up and check it out on your phone, or just click the link in the description that I'm going to leave you guys. Timeusb. I've got bees all over the place, man. Beginning of September, end of summer, man, bees all over the place. So, and if you guys already have one of these or have a lithium battery, let me know. You know, let me know if you're happy with lithium altogether, because I do have them already in my motorhome. And now it's going in the boat as well. So this will be my very, very, very good happy backup. I'm gonna add a solar panel, one more, to keep this charged, all trickle charged and charged up always. I'm gonna buy one more of these guys. One more of these. This one's gonna get mounted up here in the front, but one of these panels is very, very good. It'll keep that battery charged, no problem. Thank you guys for watching. Never mind me, I'm all dirty. I've been doing oil changes on the van today. I've been messing around with the boat, installing a trolling motor over here in the front and all that. So definitely a lot has been going on. No, here's kind of one of the lights, like one of these. Gonna go in a bracket, and it's gonna go pointing in the water like that. You see that? Some of these spotlights. So we'll be mounting some of these. They're going to be going in the water. And that battery is definitely going to hold up, and it's going to keep these bad boys running. So that's my plan. Give me a thumbs up and a like in the comment section. Throw me a comment. Thumbs up and a like if you guys like the video. And let me know about lithium, seriously. Because lithiums are the new thing, and everybody who's smart is switching to the new technology right away. A lot of people have switched already, but you can throw this thing in a golf cart if you want. You can throw this battery in a children's, like, what do you call it? Power wheels, like ride-on cars, you know, things like that. You can put that battery in there, and it's going to last you a lot longer than those little little factory-made ones that they come with. So definitely something to think about if you guys are interested in at least that part. Comment, like, subscribe, and definitely, please, give Timeusb a look-see. God bless you guys. Take care. See you next time.